Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Da, nagbabalik sa panibagong video kung saan ko lalaroin yung dressing room. Wala pa akong ideya sa game na to, so natingin ko dressing room siya sa mga mall. Like yung may ano siya, like yung mga susukatin may mga damit, like may isang room kung saan mo susuotin yung game. Ay, di ko alam. Or mga ukay-ukay, magtitinda tayo. Tayo ba yung magtitinda o tayo bibili? So, wala tayong ideya, no? So, ano pa hinihintay natin? It's the time to play this game. Ano tayo? Sa middle of nowhere. Alright, break's over. Not much left to do. Let's finish this up fast. Can't wait to get out of here. Bro, bakit? Oh, creeping ha. Go back to the counter and wait for customers. Okay. So, walang shift? Wala ring crouch? Okay. Hindi ba natin to ayusin? So tayo ngayon magtitinda ng ukay-ukay na damit. So, ano to? Blue corner ba to? So, di ba natin to lilinisin? Nakabota ka ba, boy? Oh, ang lakas ang putik. Ring. Okay, hindi natin pwede pindutin. Wait lang tayo sa counter. May, ano pa tayo, calculator. Looks like no customers are coming. Might as well get the rest of my task done. Sweep the floor with the broom. Okay. Ito. Ano yan? Ano ba yan? Dandruff? Or may sumuka? Ano yan? What the heck, bro? Go back to the counter and wait for the customer. Okay. Ano to dito? Mga nakatuping damit. So, dyan sila pagbibili. Oh! Looks like the customer is coming. Looks like a customer is coming. Okay. May ano pala dito? Puro stock. Meron ba? Oh! Meron nga. Hey dude. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you, bro? Bawal. Bawal natin siya i-interact. May i-interact lang natin pag nandito na siya. Tama ba? Press C to talk to the customer. Welcome, how can I help you today? Yeah. Where's the dressing rooms? I wanna try these on. They're on your left. Down the hall. Perfect. Won't take long. Take your time. Okay. Take your time, Lods. Ay, pag naglalakad tayo parang nakabota or pick up scattered clothes and put them on the back on their racks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano pa? So, leggings. Go to the counter and wait for the customers. Okay. Hintay tayo ulit ng customer. Smile everyone. Looks like a customer is coming. A customer. Hello, sir. How can I help you? Mind if I tried this on before buying? Of course. Dressing rooms are just to your left. Thanks. I'll be out in no time. Alright. Sure, sir. Take your time. Ano mga meron tayo dito? T-shirt, polo shirt. Tama ba? Oh, puro t-shirt pala, tas leggings. Go to the counter and wait for the customer. Labang hiding spot dito. Sakaling may magpakita. Looks like a customer is coming out. Ay. Looks like the customer is coming. Hello, sir. Si Casio. Ang sabi dito to the Burger King. Ring. Yun siya yun, di ba? Ay, What can I get for you? Just looking to buy some shirts. Ah, unfortunately, our sizes only go up to 5XL. Oh. No, 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 Casio, don't leave. Don't leave, don't leave. Mag-i-stream ka ba mamaya? Laro ka or what? Casio, Casio, saan punta? Dito lang, dito lang. May ano kami. May 6XL ganun. Pro, nawalan tayo ng isang customer, streamer pa talaga. An opportunity to meet him here in my store. Si Redman. Oh, parang si Robin. Ay, hindi pala. Press E to talk. Hi there! Hey, is there an open dressing room? Yeah, just one left. Great, I'll be quick. No problem. Ba't bawal? Kasama lang ako eh. Answer the cell phone. Hello? Hey. Brother. Hey man, what's going on? Nothing much. I'm about to finish my shift. Okay, so you'll be home soon? Yeah. Any updates about the funeral? Yeah, that's why I called. We got the funeral arranged. I'll tell you the details when you get home. That's great. Any news about the investigation? No, the police surrounded the entire store, could not find anything. No fingerprints, no DNA. The guy got away clean. Oh, that sucks. Apparently, every single K-Tech store in the country will shut down after this, the whole franchise. It was never a good business anyway. Is his family taking? About as badly as you'd expect. That sucks, man. Yeah. Anyway, I gotta go back to work, man. I'll be home soon. Okay, bye. At bawal. Mahirap. Siguro may ginagawa sila sa loob. Marami na sila nakapasok ha. So may nakita akong 3 restroom doon or dressing room. So may isa pa. Looks like a customer is coming. Ano ba? Twin! They are twin. Ikaw muna kuya. Di mo marunong kumausap sa cashier. O, diba? Yung isa may bigote yung kakausap sa akin. Ito muna. Yo! Open the dressing rooms now. Sorry, they're all full right now. Full? Did I ask for an excuse? Open one. I can't just... You can. Kick someone out, not my problem. That's not how... Wow, this place sucks. I'm just... Whatever. You're useless. We're going in anyway. No, thanks to you. Okay, relax sa inyo. O ano, ba't tatlo lang yung tao dun yung room ba't ang tatagal nila lumabas? Ang mga ginagawa nila? What an asshole. We stuck the rocks from the back room. Okay. Ano dito? So kung... E... So lahat ba yung nalagyan natin? So lahat tatalagyan natin mga okay. Pag bumili ka dito, may libreng may freebies. Alam niyo kung ano yung freebies? Humingi ng hustisya. Like, sasabihin nila, uy, may okay dun 53 damit. Bili ka na dun. Tapos, pagdating ng gabi, may kumakausap sa'yo, mga bandang 3 AM. Tapos humingi ng hustisya, bakit mo sinuot damit nila na dapat kanila lang. Finally, closing time. All my tasks are done. But none of those 5 people have come out of the dressing rooms. Something's wrong. I need to clear them out. Tama. Check the people in dressing clothes. Di ko alam kung tama ba. Ito si Redman. Ito yung... Ano? Oh my! They're all dead. What the hell am I supposed to do? Call 911? Hide in the bodies. So we're gonna go hide in the bodies. The killer has to be nearby. I will hide in the bodies till I make sure that it's safe to come out. Press E. Pati mo muna sinara yung pinto. Bro, mabibilang niya. Sabi niya, 4 lang piyatay ko ah. Bakit 5 to nandito? Like, there's one imposter among them. Where are you hiding? Let's check each room one by one. Each room? This is my chance to escape. Una siya dito sa 1. Sak niya. Oh. I heard that. Oh no. Wait! Hiyatay tayo. Ngayon naman, call 911, I guess. I'm calling 911. Dali, ang bagal, walang sumasagot. 911, what's your emergency? Hello? Hello? I'm inside of the clothing store and there are dead bodies in the dressing rooms. The address is 1. Hello? Is anyone there? What? Can't hear me? Hello? Ta. I'm sorry, Mr. Police Officer. This is a misunderstanding. My children were doing a prank call. What? No! That's not true. There is no need to send help. I will talk to them about it. Okay, sir. Have a nice day. Thanks, you too. No, wait! Hands up. Ta. You almost got me there. At least I know exactly where you are now. Who are you? Hands up. He's coming. I better hide in the bodies. That's my only chance. Press E. Okay, mag-hide pa rin tayo sa bodies. Ganun pa rin ang ending. Nagbilang siya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At sino tong isa? There one imposter among them. Oh! I can see you hiding there, you know. I remember my victims. I told you, bro. Tadungan na lang sa isa eh. Dalawa na yan nandyan eh. Dumagdag ka pa. Nag-plus pa tuloy. Naging 3 kayo. Eh, magkambal lang yan eh. Magkapatid yan dalawa eh. No, please. Don't, please. Wag. She's... Makbo. We're safe. Okay. Bangon na tayo. Think. The police. They'll catch him. I just need to get to them. Oh bro, yung magkapatid, yung kambal. Freeze! Put your hands on the air! What? You're under arrest for murder. No, you don't understand. I'm the one who called he got away. Yeah, right. You're covered in blood. Na-frame up pa nga. No, you have to believe me. Bro, sabihin mo ikaw may-ari ng store. Tapos nagtago ka kasi ikaw may-ari ng ukay-ukay. Binibenta mo sila ng damit pang patay. Hands behind your back now. So na-frame up pa nga. Nahuli tayo. Tayo hinuli. Hindi tayo makakauwi sa kapatid natin. Neutral ending. Ending 1 of 2. I hope you enjoy. So yun lang sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Kahit short game lang siya. Yun lang. Naway na-appreciate nyo. And maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa support nyo. And see you sa next video. Bye bye.